Have you ever wondered how Sedgwick County Fire District 1 locates homes within unincorporated areas of the county? Rural Address Marking Program, or RAMP, is offered free of charge to residents who live outside the city limits. These address signs allow fire, EMS, and law enforcement officers to quickly locate your home in the event of an emergency. Through this program, you can visit our website at www.sedgwickcounty.org/fire. Once on our website, find the RAMP form and enter your information. Residents have the option to choose a horizontal or vertical sign that will be produced and installed by one of our fire crews. The signs are green in color with white reflected numbers and can be seen day or night and in bad weather. This program allows first responders to locate your property from a distance, cutting down on delays in response times due to your address not being visible from the road. Help us help you in an emergency. For more information or to request an address sign, please visit www.sedgwickcounty.org/fire or call 316-660-3473.